Ever wonder how the stock market works? It can feel like a mystery. One minute it's up, the next it's down. But lately, it's been on a tear. What's driving this incredible rally? Is it magic? Luck? Nope. There are real reasons behind these market moves, and the good news is they're not top secret. We're about to break down the key factors fueling this surge. Get ready to uncover the secret sauce behind the stock market rally. We'll explore everything from economic indicators to the mood of everyday investors. By the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of why the market is soaring, and, more importantly, how you can potentially benefit from it. Let's dive in. Have you seen the stock market lately? It's been quite a spectacle, much like an exhilarating cricket match where every run counts and every wicket is celebrated with fervor. It's been on an incredible run. Just like a cricket team that has found its rhythm, the stock market has been hitting boundaries and scoring centuries. The numbers don't lie. Major indexes like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have been hitting record highs. It's akin to a cricket team breaking records and setting new benchmarks in the game. But what does this actually mean? Just as a cricket coach would break down the game strategy, let's delve into the implications of this market surge. It means companies are becoming more valuable. Think of it as a player who has consistently performed well, earning accolades and increasing their worth. And that's good news for investors who own those companies' stocks. Much like fans who have supported their team through thick and thin, investors are now reaping the rewards of their loyalty. They're seeing their investments grow. It's like watching your favorite team climb the ranks and win the championship. This upward trend isn't happening in a vacuum. Just as a cricket team's success is the result of meticulous planning and teamwork, the stock market's rise is due to several contributing factors. Several factors are contributing to this market surge. Let's take a closer look at these elements, much like a commentator analyzing a thrilling match. We'll explore each of them in detail, but here's a sneak peek. A strong economy. When businesses are thriving, so does the stock market. It's like a cricket team performing well because of a solid foundation and strong players. High corporate profits. Companies are making money, which makes their stocks more attractive. Imagine a batsman consistently hitting sixes, making them a valuable player in the team. Government support. Policies can influence market direction, and right now, they're favorable. It's like having the home advantage in a cricket match, where everything seems to be working in your favor. These factors, and others, are creating a perfect storm for stock market growth. Just as a combination of skill, strategy, and favorable conditions can lead to a cricket team's victory, these elements are driving the market's success. So buckle up, because we're about to break down each element of this exciting rally. Just as you would prepare for an intense cricket match, get ready to dive deep into the factors fueling this market surge. Stay tuned as we dissect the strategies, the players, and the conditions that have led to this remarkable performance. It's going to be an insightful journey, much like understanding the nuances of a well-played cricket game. The stock market loves a strong economy. When the economy is doing well, it creates a ripple effect that benefits everyone, from businesses to consumers. A thriving economy means more opportunities, more jobs, and more money circulating in the market. And guess what? The economy is looking pretty good right now. This is great news for everyone, whether you're a business owner, an employee, or an investor. A strong economy means that businesses are doing well, which in turn means more job opportunities and higher wages for workers. One of the best ways to measure economic health is by looking at gross domestic product, or GDP. GDP is a comprehensive measure that gives us an idea of the overall economic activity in a country. It includes everything from the goods and services produced by businesses to the government spending and investments. GDP tracks the total value of goods and services produced in a country. When GDP is growing, it indicates that businesses are producing more, consumers are spending more, and the government is investing in infrastructure and services. This growth is a sign of a healthy and expanding economy. When GDP is growing, it's a sign that businesses are active and the economy is expanding. This means more job opportunities, higher wages, and better living standards for everyone. It also means that businesses are more likely to invest in new projects and expand their operations, which further boosts economic growth. Another key indicator is the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate measures the percentage of people who are actively looking for work but are unable to find a job. A low unemployment rate is a sign that the economy is doing well and that there are plenty of job opportunities available. Low unemployment means more people have jobs, which means more people have money to spend. This spending further boosts the economy and sends positive signals to the stock market. When people have jobs and money to spend, they are more likely to buy goods and services, which in turn boosts business revenues and profits. This spending further boosts the economy and sends positive signals to the stock market. A strong job market means that businesses are doing well and that there is a high demand for goods and services. This creates a positive feedback loop that further strengthens the economy. Right now, both GDP and employment numbers are looking up. This is great news for everyone, as it means that the economy is on a strong footing and that there are plenty of opportunities for growth and prosperity. A strong economy benefits everyone, from businesses to consumers to investors. This positive economic backdrop is a major reason why the stock market is rallying. When the economy is doing well, investors are more confident and more likely to invest in stocks and other assets. This drives up stock prices and creates wealth for investors. Investors are optimistic about the future and confident in putting their money into growing companies. This optimism is reflected in the stock market, which is a barometer of investor sentiment and economic health. A strong stock market is a sign of a healthy and growing economy, and it benefits everyone by creating wealth and opportunities for investment and growth. Section 4. Companies raking it in. Profits fueling the rally. Remember, the stock market is all about companies. It's a dynamic arena where businesses compete, innovate, and strive to outperform each other. And when companies are making money, lots of it, their stock prices tend to go up. This is because investors see these companies as successful and capable of generating returns. That's exactly what we're seeing now. The market is buzzing with activity as companies across various sectors report impressive earnings. Across many sectors, companies are reporting strong earnings. This isn't limited to just one industry, it's a widespread phenomenon. This means they're bringing in more revenue and keeping more profit. Higher revenues indicate that companies are selling more products or services, while higher profits show that they are managing their costs effectively. This success makes their stocks more desirable to investors. When a company demonstrates financial health, it attracts more attention from those looking to invest their money wisely. Think about it like this. Imagine you're a cricket fan choosing a team to support. You'd rather back a team that's winning matches and showing promise than one that's consistently losing, right? You'd rather invest in a company that's making money than one that's losing it, right? The same logic applies to the stock market. The same goes for the stock market. Investors are always on the lookout for companies that are performing well financially. When investors see companies raking in profits, they're more likely to buy their stocks, driving up prices and fueling the rally. This creates a positive feedback loop where rising stock prices attract more investors. This profit-driven growth is a key ingredient in the current market surge. It's not just about speculation or market sentiment, it's grounded in real financial performance. It shows that the rally isn't just hype, it's based on real, tangible success in the corporate world. Companies are thriving, and their success is reflected in the stock market's upward trajectory. This trend is likely to continue as long as companies keep delivering strong results. Investors will keep flocking to these profitable companies, further driving the market rally. So, the next time you hear about a market rally, remember that it's often fueled by the hard work and success of companies across the board. Their profits are the engine driving the market forward. And just like in cricket, where teamwork and strategy lead to victory, in the stock market, it's the collective success of companies that propels the market to new heights. So, keep an eye on those earnings reports and company performances. They are the true indicators of market health and the driving force behind any rally. Section 5. Uncle Sam's Helping Hand. Policies that move markets. The government plays a big role in shaping the economy, and its actions can have a ripple effect on the stock market. When the government implements policies that support businesses and encourage growth, the market takes notice. For example, tax cuts can leave businesses with more money to invest and hire, boosting the economy and making their stocks more attractive. Similarly, government spending on infrastructure projects can create jobs and stimulate economic activity, sending positive signals to the market. Right now, many government policies are seen as favorable to businesses and the stock market. This supportive environment is contributing to investor confidence and helping to fuel the rally. Of course, government policies can change, so it's essential to stay informed about any shifts that could impact the market.